Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload files and PDFs to Perplexity and ask questions. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Search. In the search bar, type Perplexity AI and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Perplexity website. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. The interface is simple and easy to use. Look for the clip or attachment icon, which is the option used to upload files. Click on the clip icon, and a window will appear allowing you to upload a PDF or text file from your device. Browse through your folders, choose the document you want to upload, and confirm the upload. After the file is uploaded, you'll need to enter a prompt. This tells the AI what you want it to do with the document. For example, you can type a prompt like summarize this PDF or ask it to extract important information. Once your prompt is ready, click the Submit button. Perplexity AI will then start analyzing your document and process your request. This usually takes only a few moments, depending on the size and complexity of the file. That's it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.